Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to get a QR code for a Wix website in 2026. A QR code is a simple way to send people directly to your website just by letting them scan it with their phone camera. We'll be doing this directly from your Wix dashboard using a QR code generator app, and the process is very simple once you know where everything is. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without missing anything. This can be useful if you want to connect offline marketing materials with your website or make it easier for people to reach a specific page without typing a long URL. To begin, go to the main dashboard of your Wix site. This is the control center where you manage your website settings, design, and apps. If you manage more than one site, make sure you've opened the correct website before continuing. Once you're there, look over to the left-hand sidebar and click on Apps. This section gives you access to the tools and add-ons available for your site. These apps can add extra functionality without requiring you to manually build those features yourself. After that, click on App Market. This is where Wix lists different apps you can install to add extra features to your website. You'll find tools for things like marketing, forms, analytics, design features, and other website functions. When the App Market opens, use the search bar and type in QR code. In the results, you should see a QR code generator app. Click on it and then add it to your site. Before installing, it's also a good idea to quickly review the app details so you understand what features are included. Once the app has been installed, you'll need to open it. To do that, go back to the left sidebar again and hover over Apps. You should now see the QR code app listed there. Click on it to launch the app settings. This is where you'll actually create and manage the code. Inside the app, you'll find the options for creating and customizing your QR code. One of the first things you'll notice is the QR code type. This lets you choose what kind of content the QR code will connect to. Depending on the app, different types may be available, such as website links or other digital content. Since you're creating one for a Wix website, you'll want to make sure the correct link option is selected. Then add a title. This is helpful for keeping things organized, especially if you plan to create multiple QR codes later. For example, you could name one homepage QR code and another contact page QR code so you can easily tell them apart. Next, enter the website link you want the QR code to open. Be sure to paste the correct URL so anyone who scans it is taken to the right page. You can link to your homepage, a product page, booking page, contact page, or any other specific page depending on what you're promoting. As you fill this in, you'll see a preview of the QR code appear on the right side. That live preview makes it easy to confirm that your code is being generated properly. Before using it publicly, it's a good idea to scan the preview with your own phone to make sure it opens the correct destination. You can also adjust more settings here, such as the color or overall design. This is useful if you want the QR code to better match your website branding or visual style. Just make sure any design changes still keep the code easy to scan. Strong contrast between the QR code and its background usually makes scanning more reliable, so avoid making the design too complicated. When everything looks good, click Save. That's it. Your QR code is now created and ready to use. Before adding it to any important marketing material, test it one more time on a phone so you know the link works correctly. You can then use it wherever you need, whether that's on printed materials, social posts, or other marketing content tied to your Wix website. For example, you could place it on business cards, flyers, posters, packaging, menus, brochures, or event materials to give people a quick way to visit your site.